Hi, I'm Shira Eliza for Sex Ed Talk, and I'm here at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, where I interviewed a couple of people to know how they view sex education. What is it, and what does one learn from that subject? Let's take a look at this.
It's all about hygiene at saka yung kahit yung contraceptives or something.
Pinapakita na yung mga kung ano yung parts of the body na involved in that and what happens to it and ano yung end result if you do have intercourse.
I heard na kahit grade 5 pa lang, tinuturuan ng magsuot ng condom.
Family planning siguro. Tapos mga tungkol sa health, ano ba yung mga maaring makuha sakit pagka nag-engage sa sex, ganyan. Tapos mga guidelines, how to say no, premarital sex, ganyan.
Ano po, yung nasa isip ko po, pag naririnig ko po yung sex education is about kasarian. Pag dinagdag po yung sex education, mas marami pa po kaming matututunan about sex, sex education.
So para sa akin, tingin ko doon dinidiscuss yung pagiging intimate ng dalawang person, and tingin ko para lang sa akin hindi siya more on the emotional side, but parang tingin ko ang tinuturo doon yung scientific side, yung pag-explain kung bakit tayo ganun mag-act or kung bakit tayo ganun towards other people.
Anatomy, how to prevent STDs or unwanted pregnancies, things not to do that might hurt your partner or things like that, and then the risks that come with sex.
Yung mga about po sa loob, ganyan-ganyan po. Kung paano daw po nagkakaanak, yung ganun.
For me, I think sex education talks about yung mga natural family planning. About safe sex, intercourse, and stuff na sa mga ganun.
Laswa po, yun po. Opo. Ganun. Merong bastos pero may matutunan.
Hindi kasi po kapag sinabi na parang sex education, parang yung ina-apply lang po nila na yung mga estudyante, parang kailangan nilang malaman yung mga basic na nangyayari pagdating sa sexual intercourse. Mga tinuturo doon kung paano yung ways para maiwasan yung maagang pagbubuntis, tas kung ano-ano yung mga makakatulong para maiwasan ngayong ganon.
Hindi po siya yung pagtuturo ng mga kalaswaan. Ito po yung pagtuturo how to prevent paano mapaprevent yung early pregnancy.
Those are some interesting ideas. But the question now is, are these views in line with what the government thinks sex education should be? Well, we'll find that out as Sex Ed Talk interviews health education experts, healthcare professionals, and sex education advocates. How about you? What do you think? Join the conversation by tweeting us, joining our Facebook page, and leaving a comment on our blog. For Sex Ed Talk, this is Shira Eliza, Diliman, Quezon City.